Gizzle Rollin.
Yeah.
Matter of fact, Gizzle skate.
YouTube, let me fix this right quick, goddamn. YouTube, what the deal is, bro. Gizzle Rollin in this motherfucker. Today, we snatching the blocks out of Bully. We snatching the blocks out of Bully. On this vlog, we bolting up the wheels, we snatching blocks, and we revealing the interior.
Finally!
Finally, we finna go ahead and get it done. First, we gonna snatch them blocks though. J3 coming over. J3 gonna snatch the block. If y'all ain't know, yes, J3 is a mobile suspension guy as well. So he does mobile suspension. Y'all need any suspension needs done, holla at J3. You know what I'm saying? I will have his IG name right here. Go tap in with Cub, Whoop. But yes, man, we are snatching them blocks out today. Yes, sir. But as y'all can know, man, I know how to do all my own work, but I love to show love and support my people. So I got with Trap to put the take the lift off and put the lift back on. J3 gon' snatch the blocks. Who else I let touch this motherfucker? KB gonna do my music, but it's still word in the audio though. Shout out why it's still word in the audio. But KB doing the music this time around. It ain't gonna be no time soon, but KB doing the music. As far as building the custom box, KB gonna give me a custom box and all this shit. And we don't know what type of sub we're going with yet. It's gonna be out of 3 subs. It's gonna be either DD Audio, CT Sounds, or we gonna go with the what it was? Sundown. So this vlog gonna be pretty to the point. It ain't gonna be all that extra shit. But yeah, ooh man, my shit bad. I need a wax bad, bruh. Fuck. But anyway, yeah, man. Only thing that I wish that I could have got done was my coilovers. No cap, cause that strut spacer. Fuck that. I ain't gonna, that's just throwing off the whole truck. That's the worst part that I'm mad about is I wasn't able to get my coilovers to work, but they are for sale. I will be putting a picture right here on the screen so y'all can see them. They are for sale. Tap in with me. Get in with me on Snapchat, Instagram, whatever. Just contact me through them social medias. And don't forget to follow as well. A lot of y'all be watching and y'all don't be subscribed to the channel and y'all don't follow me on my social medias. Y'all make sure y'all subscribe to the channel and y'all follow me on social media. I will have the Snapchat and the IG right here on the screen. So the coilovers are for sale. They are custom FOA coilovers with the reservoir for 09 to 13 F-150s. 4-wheel drive or 2-wheel drive, it don't fucking matter. They both gonna boat up. They didn't fit on mine because I'm not running ball joint spacers and they are a little too tall. They all up for grabs. Get them. Y'all big lift guys, I ain't really care for the big lifts. I like a nice 8 to 9 inch lift, 8 to 10. I don't want to be super fucking maxed out, but yeah, I'm about to just finish the interior, finish tweaking the interior until J3 get here. But anyway, I'm about to handle this little issue and finish this interior, and yeah. Y'all ain't saw this guy here, boy, and I don't know and I don't know when, J3.
It was a while.
Like how I told y'all, J3 gonna be here today, taking the rear blocks out today. Go fuck the car. You gotta go do a what?
A spindle install.
A spindle install over there by Twins. Y'all know Twin too. So J3 finna get some action in. I'ma just do a little B-roll footage of him. He in the trap today, and he finna be on the job drinking. But we don't promote on the job drinking, but he finna be on the fucking job.
I can handle it. Y'all can't handle it. I can handle it.
He finna be on the job drinking today with me. He ain't gonna be on the job with y'all drinking. Yeah. But this just some cousins chilling shit.
We're in the safe zone.
And we're in the safe zone. He finna get Bully right, man, so I can start back fucking sliding again. I ain't seen this bitch since fucking January. I'm ready to start sliding, and I ain't sliding unless that fucking rear block out. So J3 finna get his
They like that.
Yeah, like J3 finna get his action going, and we gonna tap in whenever he wanna say something to the camera, cause you know J3 don't never just say to the fucking camera.
Y'all get at me, man. You know, y'all know J3. Yeah, man. We about to get this bitch laid back again. Look, I'm gonna even lay the Silverado back again.
They how much cap going on right now. They how much cap. They how much cap going on right now. They how much cap.
I'm gonna lay it back again.
This much cap going on. Y'all see J3 getting it in, man. Yep. We got one side done here on this side here.
You can say this side done too.
We back laid, cuz. We back fucking laid. We still on Staccatos, but we bolting the rims up probably tomorrow. Maybe, I don't know for sure. But we laid though, we back laid, cuz. Oh, we back fucking laid. We back. We back. But let me go ahead and let cuz finish this little ditty. J3 didn't finish his job, but like I say, bro, man, tap in with cuz, man.
Yes, sir.
Mobile mechanic.
All professional.
You know what I'm saying? Y'all see, bullet back fucking leaning, goddamn. We back. We back. We back, goddamn. How you feeling? How you feeling, J3?
I feel good.
You know what I'm saying? How you feeling?
Man.
42-inch TV.
Man, look, I got that bitch laid. I feel good.
Like a dog, man. Cuz pulled up, handling the business, goddamn. We back fucking leaning, bullet back leaning, goddamn. I fabricated me a custom display for this year. Y'all gonna see that. I'm gonna get it powder coated and shit. Y'all gonna be seeing it at the show. Y'all gonna see what the fuck that's for. Sponsored by fucking D-Walt, man. Let them know, man.
Sponsor us, man.
D-Walt, we fuck with you.
Yes, sir.
And bar you.
Barber.
What?
Now I'm gonna go ahead and let Cuz do what he got to do. Finish his day. If I make it over there, they putting on spinners on Twin them Tahoe. But right now I'm about to go ahead and pull all these fucking stickers off. Taking the roof racks off. They are for sale. So if y'all want them, they are for sale, the roof racks.
12 seconds later.
Taking all the old stickers off. Yes, no more big Gizzle Rollin, but I'm gonna take the roof racks off as well. Roof racks coming off, but yeah, I'm back here right now. Scratching off all the old stickers, y'all see that. So let me try to set y'all up somewhere.
This be so grand.
ASO.
All right, so we got all the stickers off. Got the glass cleaned and all that. All that's focus. Yeah. So we got all the glass cleaned and all that. Now I'm out here. Well, I had fabricated me a fire extinguisher mount for the back seat. And I'm out here just, you know, spraying it. Because I'm not gonna have time to get it powder coated. So I'm just spraying it for now. But I'm gonna spray it silver first. I'm gonna just do a light coat of blue. I don't know yet. I may just leave it silver, but I'm gonna have my fire extinguisher mounted in the middle of the seat. I'm gonna show y'all how it go in after the paint dry and all that stuff. I got about 3 more coats to put on there. I'm having me a little break, a tea break. So yeah, bro, I'm just knick-knack stuff, getting shit situated, putting my stickers and wheels on either tonight or tomorrow. But the wheels are going on this weekend. It's here, bro. I'm gonna get back with y'all either tonight or tomorrow when I put the wheels on and the adapters and the stickers and all that shit. We're gonna do the big reveal. Yaha, woohoo.
The next day.
All right, so this is the next day after we done laid bullet back. Y'all see my dog big leaning. But we finna go to the shed. We finna bring the wheels back and it's time to bolt up, you hear me? This is the last piece to the puzzle. Of course we are going 3-inch adapters because I'm running Chevy wheels, 6-lug Chevy wheels. So I went with the Chevy lug because Chevy wheels are easy to sell and trade. Everybody don't really be wanting 4-lug. So I got Chevy wheels, but I got 3-inch adapters. We putting them on. We gonna be poking, cuz. Y'all see me and scraping, of course, holla, put your hand up, holla out just like y'all always do. But then we gonna get full of that shit. We gonna drink. We gonna have a good, well-needed vacation day weekend. So I'm gonna get at y'all when we go to get these wheels, you hear me? All right, I'm finna teleport to go and get the wheels, and I'm gonna teleport right back here. I'm back.
Boy, if you don't get...
Okay, so we got the wheels in. They over there. They been in storage. Look, I done had my wheels ever since January. Y'all see them wheels, man. We got them. We got them. We fucking got them, man. Got them fucking wheels. Yes. Oh, fresh. Fresh. Everything fresh. Y'all see that shit, man. Stickers still on them bitches, man. So we got the spacer bolted up, we got the wheel light on, and now I'm about to just since the wheels been sitting in the storage ever since January, they done got kind of, you know, storage dust and all that on it. So I'm about to just give them a quick wipe down. Now y'all see that back lip, man. Ooh, a full polished back lip. That's how we coming. Right, let me go ahead and show y'all these motherfucking wheels, bro. Yes. We went with the RBP forged. I forgot. No, they call Glock, I think. RBP forged Glock. These the wheels we went with this year. Yes, sir. Fire shit. All right, y'all. We got all the wheels bolted up. Man, look at that bitch, man. Look at that bitch, man. Tough shit. Tough shit, man. Y'all see that, bro? We outside, man. We back outside. Bullet back laid. Bullet bolted up. Show y'all that fucking interior, man. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, man. We went with the royal blue guts with the diamond stitching. Of course, we got to get Gizzle Rollin stitched in there. You know what I'm saying? We got the suede on all the motherfucking dash components. Look like got the suede on the shifter. You know what I'm talking about? Goddamn, we good, bro. Fire shit. Y'all see what the fuck going on. I'm gonna have my little fire extinguisher mounted right there. But man, yes sir, they got the Gizzle Rollin in there. Fire shit, bro. Fire shit. Everything wrapped in suede, goddamn. You feel me? So we outside, bro. We fucking outside, bro. I'm excited, bro. I'm ready. I'm ready to slab this bitch, man. We outside. We are fucking outside. So I'm gonna do a little old B-roll, man. I ain't gonna do the whole truck because I still got tools and shit everywhere and all that, but man, y'all see that, man? Paper on the top, man. Out here.
Andre, light them up.
Bro, I hope y'all enjoyed this journey. It's been a long time coming, but we are finally ready to slide. I still got to wipe the bed out too, put my stickers on, tune my music, and we ready to slide. Come see your boy at Scraping the Coast. I will be fucking the streets up of Biloxi, Gulfport. I appreciate y'all for all the love that y'all give me, bro. Keep subscribing, keep hitting that notification bell, keep commenting, bro, keep sharing the video, bro. I do this to keep y'all with something to watch, and I also enjoy this shit as well, but I'm gonna keep on dropping content because of y'all, bro, because y'all really motivate me to keep going. So I appreciate y'all for sticking through the whole build process, and we got more. We ain't done now. This just what we had time to do for scraping, you know, but more to come, and I'm gonna catch y'all at Scraping, bro.
Dre, light 'em up.